In a significant development for India's economy, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has announced a strong push for a high-quality trade deal with the United States. This initiative aims to turbocharge economic growth and secure global supply chains, a critical need in today's geopolitical landscape. Speaking at the Economic Times Awards, Sitharaman emphasized the need for India to navigate the rising global tariff wars with intelligence. Protecting Indian industries from dumped goods while ensuring affordable imports essential for key sectors represents a balancing act that will define future trade relations. The ambitious goal set is to double Indo-US trade to an impressive $500 billion by 2030. This target comes as Commerce Minister Piyush Goyal engages in important talks in Washington, with high stakes involved. However, challenges are palpable, notably the threats of reciprocal tariffs from former President Donald Trump, placing additional pressure on India's trade strategy. As Sitharaman aptly put it, defending our interests must be done intelligently, especially for sectors like steel that are vulnerable to a surge of imports, particularly from China. Critically reviewing past trade agreements, Sitharaman accused previous administrations of compromising on India's interests in free trade agreements with Japan, Korea, and ASEAN. Her resolute stance is clear: India's interests must come first with no room for compromises. The approach involves aggressive negotiations while maintaining constant input from stakeholders balancing varied demands from industries. Amid these discussions, the challenge lies in threading the needle between protection and integration into global markets, particularly under Trump's looming tariffs and China's ongoing stockpiles. The vision of Viksit Bharat aims to secure India's place in the global supply chain. The world is watching closely, as India navigates through high-stakes and complex negotiations, emerging as a formidable player on the economic chessboard. Stay tuned as we witness the unfolding drama in high-stakes trade negotiations that could shape India's future.